Welcome to another guided breathing session with me, Warriors. We're at the Cliffs of Moher. I call this one the breath of the cliffs. Breathe with me, feel the energy changes. This is called reversal breathing, and we're going to be doing 3 rounds, 2 different styles of breathing. We'll be doing 3 different times of breath holds, 45 seconds, 1 minute, and 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now this first one, belly chest out breathing. Sticking your belly out, sticking your chest out, big breathing or Wim Hof breathing, whatever you want to call it. Now the second is like reverse breathing. 2-part rapid inhale followed by a rapid exhale. Whatever it is, just follow along, breathe with me. There's no wrong way of doing this, and it will help you relax and energize yourself for the day. The benefits of doing this form of breathing is incredible. Not only do you feel better, you also activate yourself and relax your nervous system. And always remember that change your energy and change your life. Start here in 3, 2, 1. Alright, get ready to switch it up, Warriors. Now. Get ready to take a big breath in and hold it. You're doing great. Get ready to take a beautiful breath in 3, 2, 1. And hold it and squeeze if you want to. Squeeze, imagine twisting and squeezing your spinal cord all the way up to your brain. Let it go. Fantastic job in round 1. Let's prepare for round 2 in 3, 2, 1. You're doing a great job. Now get ready to switch into reverse breathing in 3, 2, 1. Now pull in a big breath and hold it for this minute-long breath hold. Slow your heart rate down. Relax into this present moment in time. If you need to take a breath beforehand, no worries. There's only practice and there's only progress in this beautiful practice of breathing. And you're almost there. You can take a big breath in 3, 2, 1. And hold it. Squeeze, twist, and pull. If that's in your practice. Now a little breath in. Get ready for round 3. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Now we'll start with the reverse breathing. Now. Nearly there. Get ready to take a big breath in and hold it for a minute and 30 seconds. Amazing job. Take a huge breath in. Hold it and squeeze. This is where the warrior within you ignites, rewires, changes, heals, and adapts. Turn those setbacks into a major comeback. You made it to the end. You can return your breathing to normal. Be very proud of yourself for showing up, for doing what needs to be done for your health and happiness.